Welcome to the first training session on the Introduction to Online Library Information Resources. The contents of this PowerPoint include: where do I start with my research? How do I find relevant information in online databases? How do I effectively search in online databases? And how do I cite sources using the Harvard reference style? So the first starting point for any research would be to formulate your research topic. My research topic is the influence of occupational stress on quantity surveys performance. And then you need to select keywords. So well-planned keywords can play a significant role in successful search output. Keywords should be carefully selected before starting a search. Determine the main ideas or keywords for your topic. So if I look at this topic, I decided to use occupational stress and quantity surveyors as my main keywords, also adding work performance as another phrase to the search. Use synonyms, words with alternative spellings, and abbreviations or acronyms to broaden the search results. Look at all these key alternatives that you can apply. And my suggestion would be that you take a piece of paper, write down the main research topic at the top. Then you also write down the main keywords, and you also go and search for alternative keywords, and you write that down on this piece of paper. Then you take this and you apply it in the search strategy. How do I find relevant information in online databases? First of all, we need to determine what is an online database. Library databases are searchable online catalogs or indexes that contain information on journal articles. The information contained can be in the form of citations, abstracts, or full-text articles. For our research purposes, we will focus only on full-text articles. Resources can be accessed on campus or off campus. So where do I find the online databases? If you go to the library website, click on online databases. A full list of all the online databases are displayed. And please remember to create the library pin as well to access the information off campus. The library pin will enable you to download journal articles off campus from online databases. Instructions on how to create the library pin are also available on the library website. Please contact Funeka Nombandi if you need any assistance or if you are struggling to create this library pin. Instructions on how to create the library pin is available on the library website where you see login from off campus. I will also take you through the instructions now. You need to click on My Library Record on the library website. Type in your surname in the first text box. Type in S and your student number or the barcode at the back of your student number if that is still valid. Leave the third text box blank and click on Submit. On the next screen, you will see that your surname and the barcode was inserted by default already. Don't type in anything in this third text box. Type your PIN twice in the last two text boxes. The PIN can be between 6 and 8 digits. It can be alphabetical, numerical, or a combination of both. Click on Submit. and then your record will display. The databases covered by the training program include the EBSCOhost, Sabinet, ScienceDirect, Emerald, Taylor and Francis, and also the web search engine Google Scholar. So the Nelson Mandela University Library subscribe to these databases, and they provide comprehensive access to academic journals. How would I effectively search in online databases? Search techniques will help you to combine and exclude keywords to have more specific and structured results. The search techniques that we will look at is Boolean operators, phrase searching, and wildcards. The three Boolean operators that we will look at are and, or not. I will explain each one with examples. So the first one, and, are used to combine keywords. It narrows the search, and both terms are visible in each article of the search result. So example, yes, job stress and construction. So you can type it in one line in the search box, or you can use your Boolean operator here, and you can separate them here. Boolean operator or broadens the search. Either term or both will be indicated in the search results, and it's normally used between synonyms. So job stressor and job pressure are separated by or, and you can use the Boolean operator here as well, or type it in one line. The Boolean operator not will exclude the keyword from your search results. The keyword typed after the not will be excluded. So in this example, peer will be excluded from any search results. We are looking for pressure, not peer pressure. Phrase searching is the second search technique that we will apply, or that I will explain to you. Phrase searching narrows your search results. It allows you to define precisely how you want the words to appear in your search results. So if you look at occupational stress, if you add the quotation marks here, it will display the phrase exactly as you want it there in your search results. So you can see the first two results actually displays the same phrase. Truncation is your third search technique. Applying the truncation symbol at the end of the root word will help you to find other variations of the word, and it may be used to specify any number of characters. So here you will find another example word with the truncation symbol, and it will display all the variations of the word. The question mark may be used to represent a single character anywhere in the word. It is very useful when there are variable spellings for a word. And you can see this example, woman, so it will give both spellings in your search results. How do I cite sources? By using the Harvard reference style. You can go to the link to the Harvard reference style on the library website. It's under reference styles. So you click here and you will get to this page. You click on Harvard and then you type in your login details and click on login. Then you get to the reference, bibliographic reference examples. If you scroll down, you will see them. So these examples for books, ebooks, and other bibliographic entries as well, and then journal articles. So we will go to the one from the database with the I. The DOI is a digital object identifier, and it provides a persistent link to its location on the internet. If no DOI is assigned to the online content, include the URL for the location of the reference. If with DOI is assigned to the online content, include the persistent link for the location of the reference. And here you find the examples. So there's a specific format and punctuation that you need to follow. And in order to find the example or do the reference, you need to find the components. If you go back to your article, here's also an example of the in-text referencing. Thank you very much. This concludes the introduction session. Our next session would be on finding journal articles in EBSCOhost. Thank you very much.